Easyfill plans to open branches in Chennai and Mumbai, expand channel network in 2024. AI printing revolution set to transform printing industry as never before. Swastik computer products brand AMI expands manufacturing operations, plans to manufacture toner cartridges. Canon installs 2 new imagePRESS V1350 machines in New Delhi. ABT becomes HP printer and toner master dealer, expands printing solutions across Australia. GG launches Reman toner cartridges for use in Ricoh MPC 2003 printers. Ink Tank launches new ink box for Epson series. Mito releases new cartridges for Brother series. HYB toners UTX CK8532 compatible toner kits, a hot seller recognized for exceptional quality. HP introduces the new OfficeJet Pro printers for SMBs in India. For more information, please visit www.imagingsolution.in.